Skibidi Toilet Phantom Tax got.
Wait, are you done? We're done. We're done. What's your name? Connor? Yeah! Bold and green. Can you stop being so skibbity? Like you have no ridge. Quit being so skibbity. And green, where are you? You're so skibbity toilet. Hey, green. Guys, green's near double walls. Green's near double walls. He's near stump in between. He's near stump. I see stump. He's right next to. He's a little bit next to stump.
Nice.
Oh man, I hate this. Oh, I'm so rusty.
You trying to learn how to scale?
So rusty.
He's right there. He's right there. I get it.
Yeah. I cannot scale today. Today's just not my day. Yep. What's up, man? I threw my controller. Whoops.
Vito contornai, oi, Vito. Essa mi canal baixinho, Vito contornai, oi, Vito.
Oh, this? How you doing, mate? What's oh, that? I can do that. Wait.
You had a better day, I guess. I don't know. Come here, Doug. What's up, Doug? How you doing, Doug? It's been a long time, Doug. Oh, I mean, you can, but...
Get over here,
Where'd
green.
you go?
I just heard the sound of that rain. Well, how do you do
Can
that?
anyone teach me how to elevator?
I know how to elevator. Easy.
Teaches me how to elevator?
How,
Here,
what
come
do
here,
you mean
come here,
elevator?
come here.
What's elevator?
Come here, look.
Come
Look,
on,
can you
your
teach me
wrist.
how to do that?
So you have
No,
to
you
like
don't find
this.
nothing.
You come around and then
I'm gonna get like
Swing it
100
around.
shiny rocks today.
Oh, so like this?
Yeah, you get it for free.
green's right here.
Is that working?
Guys, get green.
Yo, green! Someone who can actually find like
Yeah, no, my elevator is just this.
That's a nice juke, actually. Whoa, that's cool.
Oh, green.
Why can't I repeat myself?
Weak.
Oh, he's right there.
Oh, what's up, baby?
He's right there, bro. He's just too far.
Weak.
Give me a second. Policy. Careful policy. Where's your penis? Oh.
Bro, green's just too good at branching. He can just. Green's right there.
Oh.
Oh.
Let's go, green. What's up, man? I'm gonna tickle your
He's
green
too good.
pimple.
He's just
Yeah, I'm gonna
too
leave
good.
this lobby. I'm kind of getting bored of this lobby.
Bro needs a life.
Excuse me.
Hey, green, he's right there. How do you not tag him? He's literally. Got him. Oh my god. You're too good, bro.
motivation, bro.
Ah, bro. My rocks got stuck in the branch.
The music really motivates me.
Clean blue.
Excuse me.
Skin lines right here.
Wait,
Oh, the CD. Ah, the smack my balls. Come on.
Drunk like
Fucking hate walls.
7 ounces.
And,
of ketamine.
Does anybody
so
want to play
new.
mini games?
I don't wanna, little nigger.
racist.
No, I'm not
Hey,
racist.
no way. This guy definitely has mods.
I
He
know.
thought it was
I
crazy.
got him. You guys
No,
suck.
it was literally me. It was literally me.
No,
Look, now
it
he's
was
recording
literally
me
not.
fucking good. It was literally me.
You know, I'm gonna report TTD on for cancel. I'll report you.
You're not Don. Change your username.
Where the heck is Don?
He's a team member for TGT.
Oh wow. So, oh, is that why they left so quickly? Because they got scared?
Yep.
Yeah, lol. You know, I'm just gonna go to the city because everybody in city is minigames kids.
Somebody wanna play mini games?
This is
Be quiet,
competitive
you're
too.
not funny. You're not funny.
Oh, is this competitive?
Pretty sure this is competitive.
Why am I playing comp with one arm?
Weak.
Can you teach me how to Lucia? What's up, teal or whatever brick color you are, aquamarine?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What's up, pink? I got one arm, dude. Move your body, move your body, move your body, move your body.
Just gotta let you know, heads up, move your body, move your body, move your body, move your body.
I shall speak this the human being in Earth.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
Let's go! Let's go!